Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Strat India. India's long-awaited remotely piloted strike aircraft, popularly known as Ghatak UCAV, has officially entered the production phase, marking a decisive step towards enhancing the country's future combat air power. Developed by the Aeronautical Development Establishment under DRDO, this stealthy unmanned combat aerial vehicle is poised to become one of India's most significant indigenous defense assets. Defense Major Larsen and Toubro has been selected as the design and core production partner for design development, manufacturing, and assembly of Ghatak UACVs for flight testing and certification. At a recent workshop, DRDO informed that the project has completed the preliminary design review along with its 16 subsystems. While the critical design review has cleared wind tunnel testing, computational fluid dynamic simulations, and structural layout assessments. In addition, digital flight control laws, redundant fly-by-wire systems, landing gear, and structural test rigs are now in advanced stage of development. Extensive mission studies has been conducted using closed simulation environment, validation of radar cross-section data, and early payload integration concepts. The project has completed feasibility analysis, cost and time estimations, and has received acceptance of necessity from the Indian Air Force for 6 to 8 squadrons, while the Cabinet Committee on Security approval and release of funds is under review. With airframe production now underway and the engine entering final certification process, India's Ghatak UACV is well on track to achieve its first flight in the next 18 to 24 months. Once airborne, it will mark the beginning of a new era in India's aerospace sector, defined by stealth, autonomy, and homegrown innovation. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share your thoughts in the comments box. Jai Hind.